welcome back to the Custom Works YouTube channel. So today we're doing live drawing for the B5 giveaway car. So if you missed the live drawing, you can see the results here. And if you missed your phone call, be by your phone. So for now, we're gonna get over to the live, see who the lucky person is, and then give them a call and see if we can make their evening if they answer their phone. So get ready to be by your phone and good luck. Can you figure out this live business?
There we go. Yeah, hopefully I'm not too shaky.
Are we live?
There we are.
Oh yeah!
Alright people, where are you at? Bring it up on your phone quick, see if it pops up properly.
See you when you'll start up?
Yeah, might as well.
Because as you all know, it's a clap P5. That's what the Facebook guys tell me.
Should we look at some of the other projects in the shop?
Yeah, I could tour around a bit.
Got one B5 and then we got another B5 back here. I think you like the dust for a while. I'm not sure why.
It will run one day. I keep getting new ideas every time I work on it, and then that means a whole new parts list. So then I can't finish
Or
it.
he just buys another car.
Or I buy another car. This one's just getting, I think we had a little coolant leak or fuel leak or something, so we're almost out with it.
Yeah. Something like that.
I tried just cutting my way to the problem. Didn't really work. So we're gonna pull the engine.
One way or another. I'm not sure what happened to him. I thought 4 cylinders were straight.
Maybe kind of go over what we're going to be doing. So what we have here is we've got a spreadsheet with all your names and entries on here. So pretty much what you can see, you'll have your name and the blocks that are numbered to your entries. So if your number gets chosen, we'll come up here, you know, if the winning number is 95, bam, it'll be that guy. You know, if your number is 134, it'll come up and be this guy. So that's how that's going to work. We'll just go ahead, come over here on the Google, got our total entries. I think we had roughly 400 people enter. Our total entries is 4,412. So we'll just hit that, it'll spit out a number, and we'll go back to our spreadsheet, see who the lucky winner is, and then give you a call. So hopefully it's one of you guys that are watching.
Make sure you have your phone volume on.
But yes, we will give you a call tonight. If not, we will also probably give you a few days to answer. We'll probably also send you a text if you don't end up answering tonight, and go from there. $1,000 cash, you get to pick. Honestly, I wouldn't mind keeping the car, but are we ready for this?
Hit it. Can I hit it?
Yeah, you can hit it. Ooh, oh,
685.
685. So we'll pop on over here. 685. Cruising down through here. We are getting real close. Man, guys. 685. Right there. Bam. Marcus Berry, you are the winner. So if you're on there, maybe we won't give everyone his number. Ugly finger there. So you are the winner. Congratulations. You will be getting a call in the next minute or so to see if you're going to take the car or take the money. The right number here.
Got a proper computer stand here.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's rated for my iPad here.
Jacks work for a lot of things.
All right, are we ready to do this? Make sure I got the right number.
All right, let's hope he answers.
It's ringing.
That's a good sign.
Come on, Barry. Or Marcus.
Come on, pick up.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging
All right,
system.
try again. Give him a couple chances.
Come on, Marcus. Okay. We give him another one. The number is coming up as Michigan, so kind of local.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated...
Well, no dice on that. Well, unfortunately, guys, we weren't able to talk to the winner. We will continue calling possibly tomorrow sometime. Marcus, if you do end up watching this, turn your phone on because we'll probably give it a few days. If we're unable to get a hold of him, we will redo it. But we'll give him probably 2-3 days, probably to the weekend. And if for some reason we can't get a hold of him, I'm going to go back and just double check the order, make sure I didn't have a typo on the number, and just make sure we got the right number and everything, give him as much chance as possible to answer, probably shoot him a text. And for now, guys, I really do thank you all for participating in this giveaway. It's been a ton of fun, and I really hope Marcus ends up enjoying this car and it treats him well. So for now, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for joining. We'll see you on the next one. Hey man, what's up?
Dude, what's up?
You got yourself a new car.
Congratulations, by the way.
Dude,
So
how you guys doing?
wonderful. So we just did the live. Unfortunately, I guess you missed that. So we tried giving you a call on that, but all good. And we just wanted to try to get a hold of you. So yeah.
Yeah, I got a call, but I thought it was a spam.
Yeah, I know. I don't really blame you. That's why I figured I'll send you a text so you kind of have some time to prepare for it. But yeah, man. There she is.
Dude, that's awesome. I'm so thankful right now.
So yeah, that hat was the lucky one.
I was like, I'll be okay with just the hat. I was like, it looks pretty cool and I wear it, so.
Yeah.
But that's pretty nice for sure.
You can flip around and give you a quick walk around. Probably seen all the videos and stuff on it, but it is a real car sitting in my shop right now. But yeah, other than that,
You can't complain about it's like $20.
Couldn't contain that smile.
awesome.
Off to her new home on Thursday.
Giveaway done.
Yeah, little chat.
Good job. First giveaway.
We did it.
Alright, what are we giving away next? Let's give Steve away.
No, let's give your wagon away.
Look at the dirt wagon over there.
Nope, that's not going anywhere. I'll give the S6 away. Gladly.
Poor guy. The poor guy.
We'll hand out money for them to take entries for it.